Hey everyone, I'm here to tell you something that might blow your mind. Your clothes? They're not just for looking good in the gym. They're your secret weapon to lifting heavier and performing better. Let's break down 3 brutal truths about workout clothing. First up, fabric is your first fitness tool. Not all materials are created equal. Compression gear isn't just about looking tight and sculpted. The right fabric can literally boost your performance. Think of it as an upgrade for your muscles. Next, let's talk about psychological performance hacks. What you wear changes how you perform. Confidence is a measurable performance enhancer. Your outfit is a mental trigger for peak lifting. You're not just dressing up, you're gearing up for success. And finally, biomechanical game changers. Clothing impacts your body's movement mechanics. A proper fit reduces energy waste, and strategic design can actually improve your lifting potential. Now, let's dig into the science. The numbers don't lie. 27% improved muscle recovery with correct compression, 15% increased confidence in well-fitted workout gear. Professional athletes obsess over performance clothing for a reason. So, how can you transform your lifting wardrobe? Here are 3 quick wins. First, compression mastery. Look for targeted compression zones and strategic muscle support. This reduces fatigue and increases your lifting potential. Next, fabric technology secrets. Moisture wicking materials and temperature regulation are key. Choose performance over brand names. And lastly, precision fit strategy. Not too tight, not too loose. A precise fit maximizes your range of motion and eliminates energy leaks during lifts. Let's get some expert recommendations in here. Top 3 performance boosting outfit tips. Function always trumps fashion. Invest in performance, not just looks. And remember, your outfit is your first piece of lifting equipment. Alright, here's my challenge for you. Drop a comment with 1 piece of workout gear you'll replace to level up your performance. Upgrade your wardrobe. Upgrade your lifts. Let's go.